Hello guys, how are you? I think you are doing all. So in this video I am going to show you how can you turn on of your Facebook dark mode. So it's very simple to turn on dark mode of Facebook. So why we should turn on dark mode? If we use Facebook all the day, it can be a problem of our eye if it's wide Facebook. Then for this reason Facebook probably make it dark mode also. So there have two Facebook. One is Facebook and Facebook Lite. So the process is different, so I will show you two process step by step. So firstly I will show you Lite, how can you turn on Lite dark mode. You can see here in my Lite, Facebook Lite, that dark mode is on, but I will off it and again turn on it, and that's way we can easily turn on and turn off. So you have to simply have three dot line, and you will can see here setting and privacy. Probably your setting privacy will be this way, and you have to click here, and then here we will can see our dark mode. So you have to click simply dark mode turn off, then you will dark mode will off, and you have to click turn on, then it will be turned on. So this is the process of Facebook Lite. And if you want to again turn on your Facebook, original Facebook, you can see here the Facebook's original Facebook, you can see here. So it's also I turn on of dark mode. So I will show you how can turn off and turn on. So you have to, they are same way, you have to click three dot line, and you have to scroll down, and you will can see here setting and privacy. So you have to click here, and then you will can see here dark mode. So you have to click on dark mode, and you have to click turn off, then it will turn off, and you have to click again turn on, then it will turn on. If your dark mode is not on, then that's time the Facebook show you this way, but you have to click simply dark mode on, then it will be fine. So this is the process of turn on and turn off dark mode. If you have any inquiry related to the video, you can ask me in my comment box, and also I provided my Facebook links in description box. So you can connect with me in Facebook, and also you can ask any question if you have. So thank you for watching my video, and thank you.